All right, tubers. Today is the 18th of October, and I'm standing in my newest greenhouse. This is the strawberry house. It is a 20 by 96. And this, what you see right here, are the future strawberry system. It's the hydroponic. Actually, these are called Beto strawberry buckets. And I think there's 13 or 14 high, and well, there's a bunch of them. They're gonna, each one of those buckets will have 5 to 6 bare root plants go into them, ever-bearing plants, and they're gonna run horizontally in this greenhouse. I'm gonna keep them about yay high, shoulder high, so that when the strawberries cascade over the side, I'll be able to pick them real easy, won't have to bend over. And this hydroponic system here will be easy to maintain. That's the plan. I just want to give you a quick update on it and what we're doing here. A lot of work been going on this farm. That's why I haven't been as diligent as I should about putting up content. I apologize. I know you're tired of hearing it, but anyway, y'all go play in some dirt, some nutrient solution, some fish water, whatever you have to grow something, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Next time you may see strawberries in here.